Welcome back to learning Muay Thai with Kru Hemanth Kumar, a 3-time World Championship bronze winner, with over 30 years of training experience. The previous episode was an introduction to pad work training. If you haven't gone through it, please do, before continuing onwards.
Hello all, welcome back. I'm Kru Hemanth Kumar from Masters Muay Thai Academy, and I have along with me my student Ganesh and Rashid Malik to help you learn further 3 different kicking techniques using the Thai pad work today. Alright, Ganesh, you're ready? Malik, you ready? Come into your position, please. Ganesh, please come here. Thank you. We now first would do the roundhouse kick. We'll do the roundhouse kick on the pad work. Earlier, we have learned how to form the position for roundhouse and how to deliver the roundhouse in the air. That was for the solo practice. Now you're doing a partner training with the back work. Alright, ready? Ganesh, Malik, ready? Position. Turn the ball to the foot. Ready? Guarding hand, kick back, and turn the ball to the foot again. Ready? 1. Go slow, easy. Please watch the formation. The kick opens from the outside, unlike the kick coming from straight line. This is not roundhouse kick. Again, please open the leg. That's the beauty of it. Wonderful, right? Let's go. 1, easy. Very good. Breathe. 2. Wonderful. 3. The point of contact here is the shin. Alright? Good. 1, 2, 3. Good. Change side. Ready? 1. Alright, little bit ahead, please. 1. Okay. 2. Very easy, easy. Breathe, 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 breathe. 3. That's good. 4. This is the mid-level roundhouse kick. The second variation you're now going to see is the low kick. Like I mentioned earlier, remember the phrase felling the tree. That is what actually happens when the low kick is executed at the right time, with the right footwork, the perfect way. Let's see how to do that now. Ready? Ganesh, ready? Malik, you ready? Slow. 1. Good. As this low kick again belongs to the same family of the roundhouse, the way it moves would be the same way. Please do remember that. 2. Good. 3. Now you can see Malik standing upright while delivering the kick. It does have leverage. If you want to pump up more power with this leverage, making it more devastating, you need to slightly lower down. Right? Slightly lower down, and as you pivot on the ball of the foot and then release the hip and the kick. Clear, Malik? Let's see how to do that now. Slow as possible. 1. Wonderful. 2. Good. 3. Yes. Now, the most important point, tuck your hip in. If you don't do this, the shin would not contact the target. Ready? Breathe. Breathe out. Ready? 1. Good. 2. Yes. 3. 4. 5. Very good. Change side. Move a little bit. Ready? Ready, Malik? Breathe. 1. 2. 3. And 4. And 5. Good job. That's good. I hope you enjoyed the low kick. Now we're going to see the tricky angle kick. The angle kick is tricky because it comes from below the guard. Like I explained the basics, it curves inside, cutting through to your rib cage. Let's see how we can do that in the pad work. Ready, Ganesh? Ready, Malik? Take a deep breathe out, both of you. Ease up. Stay on the ball of the foot. Maintain your balance. Ready. Slowly. 1. Good. 2. 3. 4. Bang. 5. 6. 7. That's good. That's good. That's the power, speed, and how swift the angle kick can penetrate into the opponent's ribs. Can see them? Can stop the opponent. Good. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Please do like and share our videos, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Good luck.